Hello guys, so today topic is about the flip entries, how you can take these entries and how you can apply it in the live chart. So this is a very simple concept, only just you have to remember the concept and apply it on the live chart, right? So today I took an entry on the basis of the flip entry, right? And, I'll tell you later on. So first let me clear you this concept, how it works and how you can apply it on the live chart. So from here, price made a break of structure, right? Price is in bullish trend. Price was making a higher highs and higher lows. Price made a break of structure. Sweep liquidity from here goes to the upside. Show some imbalance from here, and this is a very powerful demand zone, right? You mark your demand zone from here. Price mitigate this demand zone. Price mitigate this demand zone. Show some rejection and then goes to the downside. What happened here? What happened is price shows some rejection, but demand zone doesn't have the enough power to hold the price, right? And supply took over control from the demand zone. And now what we can do is, right? Price shows some reaction, goes to the downside, right? Now from here, we just can directly take entry from here. We don't have to wait for the change of character or something like this. You can take a risk entry from here. Just uh, set a stop loss just above this zone. Sorry, just set your stop loss just above this zone and target this week high, right? So this is how flip entry works. This is a very simple concept, only just you have to see it on the live chart, right? And take profits. So this is a bearish trend. Price made a break of structure from here, went to the downside, sweeps liquidity from here, and this becomes your supply zone. Now we are waiting for this supply to mitigate. I don't know what happening, guys. So we have to wait for this supply zone to be mitigated. But what happen is price shows some rejection and broke this supply zone and goes to the upside. So here what happen is demand zone took a control from the supply zone. This supply zone doesn't have the enough power to hold the price, and price just goes to the upside, broke structure from here, and now we can take entry from here. We can take entry from here till this week high, right? So this is a supply to demand and this is demand to supply flip, right? So this is how it works and how you can apply it on the live chart. Let me show you. Today I took an similar entry like this. Let me show you. So here price was in a bullish trend. Here price just sweep the liquidity. You can see. Let me zoom it on the live chart. So from here price just sweep the liquidity. You can see price goes above this zone and closes below the zone. And now what you can do is you can just reset. What was the Asian? That was the Asian session. So let me put on the indicator, right? So here I took entry. The first entry from here was here. So here what happened is this was a demand zone, right? And what happened is price show some rejection and broke this demand zone. And here, so this is demand to supply flip, right? The supply took over control from the demand zone, broke this demand zone, right? Broke this demand zone, and I took entry from here. That was the second entry. The first entry from the upward zone. I took an entry from this candle, and that was one of the best trade that I ever had. I took the second entry from was from here, and first entry was from this zone, right? 844, and my target was this zone 54245 4 to 5. So that was actually a 40 pip profit, like, and my risk to reward ratio was just about the 1 to 8, right? So this is how it works and how you can take demand to supply entries. So this is for the today topic, guys. Please subscribe if you really like the video. Please watch the video till then. So thanks, guys.